Hello, Trashidale to everyone. Welcome back learning basic reading Tibetan language. Today we're going to read Heart Sutra from the beginning to end. Okay, let's start. Sherap Nyingbe Do Masam Jeme Sherap Parul Chin Make Migak Namke Ngo Ni So Rangrik Yeshe Jeyul Wa Tüsum Gyalwe Yumla Chak Tsal Lo Dike Dagi Tepa Du Jik Na Jomden De Gyalpe Kap Jagö Pungpö Rila Gelong Gi Gödün Chempo Dang Jangchup Sempe Gödün Chembo Dang Tab Jikdu Shukde Dece Jomdende Samo Nangwa She Jawe Cheki Namdang Ki Tingye Zin La Nyombar Shuk So Yang De Ce Jangchup Semba Chembo Pakpa Jenre Zik Wangchuk Sherap Ki Parul Du Chimpa Samu Chepa Nila Nampar Ta Shing Pungbo Ngapo Dedak Layang Rangshin Gi Tongpar Nampar Ta Hu Dene Sangye Ki Tu Tsedang Demba Shari Bu Jangchup Sempa Chembo Pakpa Jenre Zik Wangchuk La Dike Je Meso Riki Puham Riki Pumo Gang Lala Sherap Ki Parul Tu Chimpa Samu Chepar Deba De Jitar Labra Cha Deke Che Mepa Dang Jangchup Sempa Chembo Pakpa Jenre Zik Wangchuk Gi Tsedang Demba Shara Dadi Pula Dike Je Meso 샤리 부 리키 부함 리키 부모 강 라라 셰랍기 파룰뚜 침바 사무 제파 제퍼 데파 데 디더 넘버 따와라 자데 풍보 나보 데닥 꺄ং 랑싱 기 똥버 넘버 양닥 버 제수 따오 숙 똥바오 똥바니 숙소 숙레 똥바니 똥바니레 꺄ং 숙 신 마인 노 대신도 서로와당 두셰당 두제당 넘버 셰파 남 똥바오 샤리부 데터 최 탐제 똥바 니데 체니 메바 마게 바 마각 바 디마 메바 디마 당 달와 디와 메바 강와 메바 오 샤리부 데타웨나 똥바 니라 숙메 초로와메 두셰메 두제 남메 넘버 셰바메 믹메 나와메 나메 제메 류메 이메 숙메 다메 디메 로메 렉자메 최메도 미끼 캄 메빠네 이기 캄메 이기 넘버 셰베 캄기 바르두 메도 마릭빠 메 마릭빠 세바 메바 네 가시 메 가시 세베 바르두 양 메도 대신두 독날 와당 군 중와당 곡바당 람메 이시메 토빠메 마토빠 양메도 샤리부 데타웨나 장춥 셈바 남 토빠 메베 칠 셰랍기 파로두 침발라 땡징 네데 셈라 디빠 메베 짝바 메데 친지 록레 신두 데네 냥엔레 데베 tar chin do du sumdu number shukpe sangye 탐제 꺄ং 셰랍기 파롤두 침발라 떼네 라나 메바 양 닥버 조베 장춥두 ngombar zokbar sangye so de tawe na sherap ki parul tu chimbe ngak rikpa chimbe ngak lana mebe ngak minyam padang nyambar jebe ngak dungal 탐제 랍두 시월 제베 ngak 미준벤 나 뎀버 셰버 자테 셰랍기 파룰두 침베 ngak 메바 따야 타 가테 가테 para gate para sam gate bodhi soha taya tha om gate gate para sam gate bodhi soha taya tha om gate gate para sam gate bodhi soha shari bu 장축 sempa chumbe detar sherapki parul tu chimba samo la labar chahu dene 좀된데 띵에 진 데레 셴데 장축 셈바 쳔보 팍바 젠레 직 왕축라 렉소 셰자와 진데 렉소 리키 부 대 대신 노 대 대신 대 지터 케키 템바 신두 셰랍기 파룰투 침바 사모라 제퍼 자대 대신 셰크바 남짱 제수 이랑노 좀된 데 기스 대게 제 까짤네 체당 뎀바 샤라 다데 부당 장줍 셈바 제레 지관 왕축당 탐제 당 뎀베 콜 대닥당 하당 미당 hla마 인당 디서 제베 직된 이랑 때 좀된 데기 숭발라 ngomper do sherap nyingbe do jok so. Okay, so far we have finished the reading practice Heart Sutra. So this is good. So hopefully we improve our reading practice, and I hope this one you can read every day. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time is great, but even if you read 1 time a day, that is wonderful, beautiful. But if you have a time, that's great. So far, very good. We have been reading practice, but we haven't learned the meaning. So if you are wondering what is the meaning of this teaching, but is there is an explanation on this Heart Sutra, but I will put links on there so you can just read, but I will suggesting that this teaching is very high level, from the beginning person, for the beginner will not make any sense. It might be like confused, what is that, it doesn't make sense. So therefore from the beginning I didn't explain at all, because I don't want to explain this high level, even I don't understand at all, but even I know some word, but I don't want to explain. But what is I want you to guide to, to explain the meaning is, I have left 37 practice of Bodhisattva. It's called Tibetan Yalse Laglen. So we started earlier. I left somewhere, so I'm going to resume those 37 practice. So 37 practice of Bodhisattva is we're going to again going to be reading practice, and also we're going to learn going to learn vocabulary and also meaning. We're going to learn a lot of things. So this reading Heart Sutra is I only just focus just reading practice, nothing meaning at all. So that is my main purpose. But next, when I'm going to start the 37 practice of Bodhisattva, we're going to learn vocabulary, so many things. Okay. So each video, I always say you can see a link below this video. Click on link and download PDF file. So what that means is, I know some people might be, you already know how to click the link. Some people don't. Even some people don't find the link. So I just want to show you guys. Here you go. If you are using the iPhone, maybe other phone, but you have to click right here to be able to see a link. If you don't click, you don't see the link anywhere. You are just wondering where, I don't see any link below this video, but you can see the video here, but you don't see nothing link around here, right? But you have to click right here. Once you click right here, then this is what you see here. So once you see this, then you need to click on this link so that you can download this PDF file. So you can download and save in your phone, your iPad, wherever you use. Of course, if you are using a laptop, it shows right away underneath link here. But in the phone, iPhone, it doesn't show. So I just wanted you guys to show this thing to make sure you all guys can see and download this PDF file. Okay. So far we complete Heart Sutra, and we will move for another subject. 37 practice of Bodhisattva. Okay. Jema Jalyong. See you later. Bye for now.